This is a very easy and a delicious recipe, and it is very healthy. For this I have taken 3 small bananas. These are lychee bananas. You can take any kind of bananas for this. To this I have added 1 big tablespoon of peanut butter. Mix it well, and then I have added multigrain oats. These oats are very healthy because it has all kinds of grains in it. It even have flax seeds in it. Mix it well, and now put it on a tray and bake it for around 10 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Cookies are ready within 10 minutes. They are very delicious, and I will be putting more healthy recipes. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.